Always prepared. All-in-one kit to tow or jump your car. Includes first aid kit, ice scraper, flashlight, jumper cables, pliers, tire pressure gauge, tow rope, and much more. Convenient. All fits into included bag. Small size, stores easily in your trunk. Integrated reflective triangle. The zippered case itself can be used to help signal to other vehicles there you are. Most popular sizes. Hex keys include sizes 2, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 8, and 10 millimeters. This great emergency kit includes 49 pieces with an assortment of 15 items. Make sure you are prepared for any situation with this roadside emergency set, ideal to keep in the trunk of any vehicle. With all these handy tools, you'll be back on the road and moving in no time. The toolkit includes 150AMP10GA8FT jumper cables, 6 in split joint pliers, roll of electrical tape, 10-9 in cable ties, 2-18 in bungee cords, rain poncho, 23-piece first aid kit, pair of knit gloves, Krypton flashlight with batteries, ice scraper, pencil tire gauge, 2-ton 14FT tow rope, snap blade knife, and nylon zipper case with reflective triangle. This is a must-have kit to be ready for any emergency while driving. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. Gave these to my daughters when they got their cars. They haven't had to use them yet, but they seem to be good quality and great value.